This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer and Joel Hobson. Spectacular 6-bedroom brick traditional west/separate guest house and pool on gated 1-acre lot in prime East Memphis location. Custom built 8 years ago by Bob Reed, it features a 5-car garage, circular drive, phantom screen porch, outdoor cooking kitchen, hot tub, fire pit, top quality finishes, an array of Viking appliances, media room, 2 playrooms, elevator, primary bedroom and guest bedroom down, 4 up, plus 1 bedroom guest house. 8,252 square feet plus 2,000 plus square feet guest house/playrm. 6 HVAC systems, 3 tankless water heaters. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer and Joel Hobson at 901-761-1622.